the square root of 256. My discriminant is 256, so what do I know about my answers? Are they going to be real or imaginary? Caitlin? Real. Good, they're going to be real because my discriminant is positive. Is 256 a perfect square?
Yes.
Yes, so my answers are going to be real and they're going to be rational. Great, so I have negative 2 plus or minus the square root of 256 all over 2 and negative 2 plus or minus 16, right? All over 2. So I'm left with negative 14 over 2 is negative 7 and negative 2 plus, just kidding, positive 7. 2 plus 16. Negative 2 minus 16, negative 18 over 2. And my answers are rather, negative 7 and, no, 7 and negative 9. Do you agree? Do you see how that happened? That is really hard to see. I'm going to try focusing. That's a little better. Okay, so hopefully that makes sense. Let me do one more with you, and then I'm going to give you your a couple minutes to work on the homework tonight, and then we'll do closing, and we'll be done. All right, so number 4 is going to be the opposite of b plus or minus the square root of 49 minus 4 times 1 times 13. Okay, negative all over 2a. What do you notice about the discriminant? (49 minus 52) is what kind of number? Lily? Right. So what do I need to do? Negative 13, yes? What do I need to do with my negative 7 plus or minus the square root of negative 13 all over 2? What do I do with the square root of negative 13? Okay, how's everyone doing? Is it going pretty well?
Yeah.
Yes? Okay, good. I do need to wrap us up and give you exit slips. So really quickly, can I have everyone's eyes up here for a minute, please? When can you use the quadratic formula? I want to see more than 2 hands. Okay, that's much better. Dane. Anytime. There are not restrictions, like how factoring, sometimes it's not going to work. The quadratic formula, yes, you can use it to solve any quadratic equation. Unless you're asked on a test to use factoring or use completing the square, but theoretically, anytime you have the quadratic equation in standard form, you can use the quadratic formula. What is the discriminant? Reese?
The numbers under the radical.
Good. The number that you get when you do the operations under the radical sign. So b squared minus 4ac. And what pieces of information can you get from the discriminant that are helpful? Lindsay. How many solutions you get, and one other important piece of information, well, Dominic.
If they are real, if they are irrational, or if they are rational.
Very good. So are they real, are they imaginary, are they rational, are they irrational? Great, so the discriminant is like a really important piece of the quadratic formula. And we will talk more about graphing next time we meet. But for today, I think we are good, and I'm going to get the exit slips to you. Make sure you put your names on them and do your very best, and don't be afraid to ask me questions.